Sander, I saw a post of a famous speaker, and a claim was made that getting upset was not happening anymore, or getting mad was not happening anymore. What is your response to this? Well, anything may seem to happen. As far as thoughts, beliefs, conclusions, assumptions, stories, language, words are painting a happening to begin with, which may include the statement that upsetness or madness is not happening anymore. This is not about not getting mad or upset anymore. This is not about a goal which can be reached. There is already no separated you in any state of upsetness or madness, able to not get mad or upset anymore. There's just simply what is, which may include the idea, the belief that upsetness or madness is what is happening or not, or that it has stopped or not, or being interested in reaching a certain state where upsetness or madness is not happening anymore. Which already is just simply this: ideas, beliefs, claims, conclusions, assumptions, statements, painting a happening, which is this already innocently, effortlessly, and spontaneously. There is no separated solid you already in a state of madness, in a state of upsetness, able to lose it. Upsetness or madness is just simply what is, as far as it seems to be happening or not. So there's just this innocent, boundless, edgeless, borderless stream of happenings, which may include the sense of a you being upset, or just upsetness or madness, without this sense of a you being it. Upsetness or madness is just what is and isn't, both and neither. So this is not about reaching any so-called state where no fucks are given. There's already no separated you giving a fuck or not giving a fuck. There's just what is, which may include the idea, the belief that there's just what is, or the lack of that idea, belief, thought, conclusion, suggesting, story, innocently, effortlessly arising, which is this already, which may include madness, complete madness, for no one as a separated you being the one who's mad, or being the one able to lose this madness or upsetness, as there is no separated solid you outside of this innocent dance, this borderless stream of happenings. And there isn't even a borderless innocent stream of happenings to begin with. as a thing which is happening or not happening, which is changing or is not changing. Yet change and unchanging both simultaneously and neither.